I hate crapshoot. God damn it. Ah! Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Whoa, what the?
My ass hit the back wheel.
Oh, is that one?
Yeah. Oh, man, that hurt.
Get your bike off the truck.
Yeah. That's what happened the fucking last time.
Shit, you alright?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, my bike's not. Look, look. I think my GoPro's on.
That was amazing.
Yeah, well.
You almost did a front flip.
I know.
Magically on?
We're back at the crapshoot kicker, and I am not dead.
Damn it.
I gotta tell you, I think I hit every part of my body that has padding.
Yeah.
Hit something. Okay. Oh, man.
Because when I was coming down, I'm like, well, he's going fast enough this time.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I just leaned back too much, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't break anything.
Oh, it might start to hurt. I'm like,
Yeah, I definitely feel like there's some stuff that could definitely hurt later. All right, how's the bike? Handles a little crooked.
is it?
Yeah,
Oh, handle.
wheel,
How about the
seat.
bar twist? Is it alright?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Wheel straight.
just gotta come out here.
Saying wheel straight to the bars.
Yeah, yeah, everything's good. I think it was mostly my body. I let the bike go. Whew. Well, I hit my ass on it the last time too. All right, I'm ready. Honestly, the stings hurt more. I hate this fucking trail.